Fermented honey and garlic has many health benefits. It is antioxidant, it is anti-inflammatory, it helps to lower your blood pressure. It's just a super remedy. It's a fabulous remedy. You're going to learn to do that at home. Okay guys, this very powerful remedy of fermented honey and garlic. As you can see, we're just using 2 ingredients. Very simple, yet so powerful. You just want to use 2 to 3 heads of garlic, not cloves, 3 heads. 1, 2, we have 2 here. I have some already prepared here in this container. I'm going to be using these. And your honey. That's it. Your all natural honey. Okay, here we go now. Of course, you'll be stripping your garlic that we've not bothered to do on screen. You want to have a glass bottle like this because you want something that can withstand the pressure of the fermentation process. Okay, so you want to use a glass jar like this and a solid cover. Okay, now we're going to be just adding the garlic into our little jar here. And this, like I told you, is a powerful remedy. It is antioxidant, it is anti-inflammatory, it helps to lower blood pressure, it fights cold and flu, and many other benefits, guys. You can look in the description to see some more of the benefits that you can derive from having this honey and garlic. Okay, we're just putting it to ferment, so we're going to just pour this honey over onto the garlic in the jar like that. There we go, leaving a little space for it to ferment and give off the little chemical reaction inside. So there we go, I think that's enough. Now this, you're going to cover it. Cover your jar nicely and tightly. Yes. And let it sit for, let's say, a week to 30 days, all right? And in between that time, you can just what we call burp the honey. Burp it meaning you're going to open the jar and let some of the fermentation that is taking place get a chance to release the gases and release some of the pressure from the jar. Okay, so you just turn it over to say every 2 days or so. You can just turn it over like this, all right, and open the jar as well. Now we're going to do a follow-up for you in between to show you how it's progressing, but we're going to leave it in here for 30 days. Okay guys, do hope you'll be trying this one at home. Like I said, it's an awesome remedy for cold and flu. It's antioxidant, and also it lowers blood pressure and anti-inflammatory. It's like a super medicine right here in this jar. So see you in another 30 days for the follow-up. Okay guys, if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.